matters. You're doing something. Why should I care? Is it relevant? Is it interesting? Is your research something people care about? That's what they call relevance. Is it interesting? But the second one is relationship. What is there in the universe that looks like what you're doing, right? So if you're doing this work like that, this comes from the concept, what Stefan Banach calls it, what? The analogy. And this is the basis of abstract algebra, of almost everything in mathematics. When you do transformation, this is like this. When you do clustering, it's always about relationship. When you do pattern recognition, it's about relationship. When you do regression analysis, you're trying to find the central tendency. So what is this related to? So the three R's. Guess what the last one is? This. So in both pure mathematics and statistics, people like to summarize things with these R's. Like you say, Prophet Muhammad, this guy applies to data mining, machine learning, software engineering, and all that stuff. Okay, I don't know about the randomness in software engineering, but for certain, I know the concept of replication and reproducibility is central to software. If my code only runs on my computer, what good is it? I want to be able to take it to another place under the same condition and have similar results. That's reproducibility. Anyway, we're running out of time, but what I wanted to say is that all of this one, like I say, you can break this guy into two. You can break this guy into what? The malicious, the one that Dr. Babbage was talking about, the malicious version of it, and the one that I call benign. Okay? Okay, we can even use the language of medicine and call this one malignant. But that's a word, I don't like that word because, but we can the malicious one is the one that he talked about. Here is a young postdoc or young faculty member. He has a lot of pressure on him, and he has to absolutely produce some papers. And instead of a community being created that allows him to feel like it's not about the number of papers or whatever, then determine you have to publish the number of papers. So that's the reason why people start cutting corners. So in the end, what we're talking about is when we come here to do research, can we really do it in a way that you love it enough, you care enough about it, you did it for the right reason, that you don't cut corners? It's not easy. That's a very complex problem. I can't solve it, you can't solve it. It's an ethical problem. That's why I say this concept of reproducibility, I say is akin to integrity. I only have one slide, by the way, so because I only have one slide.